I talk to you. Where your husband?
He's there here.
Give her a phone. Then you know they cry. Give her a phone. Why you go take medicine now? Oh God, why you go take medicine? I tell you, say that pikin now you get time. Now friend when you come fuck your wife, now you be enemy of progress. Your friend when you come fuck your wife, now you be devil. Hello, Oga.
He tell me, say that my wife he said my wife the beg and make her the fuck her.
Now lie. Your friend tell you say now your wife go the beg and make her the fuck her for house. Hello, my brother. Hello. Where your friend? Wait, your friend not bad there with you.
She did they call her. She they call her before. She they call her. The man tell me. I called the man yesterday. As he called the man today, he tell me say that my wife they beg and me call the fuck her.
Oh, that lie.
Why your friend go talk this kind of thing? Your wife talk yesterday say wait. Your Batista, Chebi you say now only 2 times your husband friend don't fuck you. Now only 2 times, Abi.
Yes.
Why you go talk and say you go they beg and me call they fuck you every time? And my brother, that your friend are evil. Give me your friend number. You get the number, send the number, come here, Nana. Make a call and by myself. Say your friend number come.
I will find them again.
Find now, useless friend. Your friend, I know what you use for.
I don't know. They say they kill me, they kill me. I love my wife too much. I love her too much, my wife. I love her too much. Every month, that's the same money to her parents. Every month, that's the same money to her parents. Every month, that's the same money to her parents. I love her so much. I don't know what did I do when she called to do this kind of thing to me. I don't know. The people tell me, I don't marry a dope person. I said no. This one, that different woman. I don't know, say she they kill me, they go. My people tell me, say me, I don't marry a dope. I marry a dope. You see what she's going to do me. I beg. Oh.
Mommy, the header.
Wait, your husband friend, you not still go call him again after one don't settle the matter yesterday.
Nah, he they call him. I see don't go they talk like fire. He now want that, and he get BP before. He refused to drink medicine. I just know they call him again. No, will tell you this to me. Will tell you this to say. See what did that to me? Believe me, you know here.
Wait, your husband say, listen. Your husband said the day where your friend come fuck you, say he day is a room, not true.
3.
Oh my me why it's in a so. And another time I don't want you. Why go and go? Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Your husband said the day where your friend come fuck you, say he day is a house that day. Not true. Not true.
My father's house. Yes, my father's house. Me, I think they sleep. This way they no go house for night. He contact me. I just phone. I no fit to say no. No fit to say no.
Oh, why not see now? You lie me. I want to know why not see you. You lie me. I be when watch the video. Hello.
Something he can't do. He can't play about tell my husband lie. Tell her lie. Hello.
Well, that day where the man come call you, where your husband day?
Now me and he dey sleep for inside room. Now night it happen. Now me and he dey sleep for inside room. Now this will contact me. If he tap me 2 times where they door, I know they know what they happen. Now what they happen? I'm not going to message you. What they because say the girl what they say the girl married to the cash woman. I say you see her. Why are they message for me? I don't know. If I was to say no me by myself done because what is boy then I say me first. I say me say what then I say give me to the sleep with woman.
So you want to Mama. No, let your body shake. Wait, You and your husband dey inside bed. If friend call you, where if talk you? Now step, I been inside hall.
No, it will carry me go passage.
He passage.
You carry me go passage. Passage, you carry me go passage. But if I don't know my accent, what do I do with this for passage? Now we all do so. If you touch me, I just sleep with my husband. That's why you fall. I'm not to say no. Now you go to my husband and say, me first, and I make him do what he do. I told my husband, make him not call me again. Make him not call me again. He's one time I'm mad. My husband, he not hear me. He know they hear me. I told. My mother for Nigeria won't die. But I refuse to hear me. I don't know what I want to. I don't know what I want to.
No cry.
He don't believe me.
No cry. Where the boy number? Bring the boy number. Come. Make a warner. See, you not see how people they destroy people.
I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself.
Not kill yourself. You get 4 children. Not kill yourself.
Mama, it don't make it too much for me.
Don't kill yourself. Give your husband phone. That your daughter, when your husband say he resemble the man, that daughter not resemble the man, he resemble your husband. I tell your husband yesterday, man, don't talk say the pikin resemble the boy. He not resemble, he resemble your husband. Oh, people too wicked. You will get husband.
I don't tire. I don't feel okay.
I don't blame you, yeah? You not kill yourself. I don't blame you. You don't do your marriage not go scatter. Give your husband phone. Give your husband phone.
I don't
You don't do not cry again. Now devil walk, yeah? Your husband not go leave you. Your marriage will not scatter in the name of Jesus. Give your husband phone. And if they talk to your husband, not even the year. Oga.
You don't
you say.
You go take medicine. You take medicine.
I don't agree. I won't die.
Not die.
I won't die. I will die.
Not die.
I will die.
Not die.
Because I too love her. I too love my wife. I too love her. What she could do that kind of thing to me? She go wake up. The house when she take come up part for the man to fuck. She go use her to cook food for me and the man to eat. How want to clear this one? How?
No.
The boy, now my house is there 24 hours. Now she the face. Now me.
Now you mess on a one name.
Now the man they fuck. Now the man they fuck her. Now the man they fuck her. How want to bear this one? How want to bear this one? How want to bear this one? How?
Hi. You will feel better. You will feel better. You know what will happen? When I watch, I want make people come contribute. You are made to give you advice. Advice is one no. You want make an area too. And what do calling? What do you arrange? Because then on Jenna now, who do you evaluate? They go. Can I not be on your talk? Hello, Oga. You are crying.
Give me. No. Hello, mommy. No, the man. No, all my friends. Different men. No.
How many people fuck her? How many people fuck her?
Mama, because I tell her this one now. Say she was.
Oh, I'm not calling now. Oh, what's your name? Oh, no. I want to pay a call. Hello.
Because I tell her, hello, mommy. Because I tell her, say, what did this one do to me? Now, like, let's maybe other ones. Now, don't sleep with me. She does other ones with her. No, I just collect this one. I'm not feel like for their head.
Wait. May I talk to your wife? Okay, make I tell you. You know, say now your wife confessed to you. Now she confessed.
Mommy, my wife, me and my wife go there inside house. They will call her. She go enter toilet. You go snap her toto. Go send for them.
Your wife will go snap her and toto. Go give them. You get the proof?
Yeah, she go snap her toto. Go give them. Now woman be this, now wife be this, now wife be this. You go snap her toto, go give them. Then they go snap their prey, go give her.
3.
Nah, Irelani, tell me nobody don't call. Why not they do this kind of thing now? Hello?
Hello, Mama, you hear me?
Not cry again. Not cry. Your marriage will not scatter. Now that your husband friend, I be evil. He get what he take catch you. Because I see no reason why your husband dey house. When a day inside bed, he go come touch you. Go fuck you for step. So there is God will disgrace that boy. Oga, your wife.
No be only last one.
Let me talk.
No be only last one. Tell her, no be only for house. For club. Tell her say for club. They fuck you for club.
Now it make her 2 times.
Okay, the man still fuck you for club.
Fuck me, I know. You sleep with me. Yes, Mama, we go club together. We go club with one of my friends, my neighbor, all of us go.
Fuck you.
Yes, sleep with me for now they talk, then they can be 2 times. I don't feel like to you. Then they can talk 2 times. No matter where you fuck me. If sleep with me, yes, 2 times. I no deny her.
But the day when you follow go club, where your husband dey? As you follow go club, where your husband dey? Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Where your husband dey? Wait, because you will get husband. I beg, I said my person never call. My person never call. If at the time now make una dey listen to me now. My person never call me. What's the last call? You want no matter call it. Why call if you were? Hello.
Hello, Mommy.
What's that thing where?
Yes. It's Mommy.
Oh God.
Hello.
Your marriage will not scatter. Your marriage will never scatter. Yeah? No fear. Your marriage will not scatter. That your husband friend are evil. Now God now go disgrace him. Your marriage will never scatter. Now lie.
Because you go the corner, because you go the caller, you the caller, you go don't let they tell you lie.
The man they text me.
Because they go caller.
The man they text me. Say I be good man. They say I be good man. I be good friend. I beg. Make her forgive her. Say na my wife. Beg her make it the fuck her.
Because me I don't tell you that I say be good friend. When I don't Mama say you say what you do to me. You don't believe me for anything. You believe that your friend pass me.
But why you don't tell me from the beginning?
Because
if you believe me, why you don't tell me from the beginning?
I don't tell you from the beginning because I don't want to to happen when they happen now. That's how they say they avoid that. And they avoid what happen now may not happen. And they avoid that.
I know they talk to where. I know they talk to where. Why you go make another man fuck you for club? Then it come house again. Come they fuck you for house. When you day.
Hello.
My sister, relax your mind. Yeah? Nobody go fit scatter your home. Relax your mind. Yeah? Relax your mind. Give your husband phone. May relax his mind. Oga?
Yes, ma'am.
Not they call that your friend again. Yeah? Not call him again. Not call him because
I want to know the truth. Because she should not tell me. She not tell me the truth. Now that's my friend. Now tell me say now she get my last pikin. Now he tell me say when he get the belly for my last pikin, he say my wife call her. So I say he don't get belly for him. Oh. I want to do. This pikin when I show you send the pictures for you yesterday. Now my mama name now give her. I love the pikin too much. I don't know say na another person born the pikin. The man tell me say na he get the pikin.
Not mad the man, not being get her. Not being get the pikin.
Oh.
Not being get the pikin. That pikin na your pikin. May person not come destroy this beautiful marriage. Oh, see how people they wicked. God, why? God, why?
Oh,
Why?
thank you. Mommy,
Oh,
thank you.
God, why?
Mommy,
Why
thank
people are
you.
so wicked like this?
Mommy, thank you.
Why? That's the way
Mommy,
get
thank
husband, get
you.
children.
Uh,
Why friend be like
He
this?
don't get
Why?
anything. He don't get anything. That mean they feed us. The boy, if you wake up in the morning, if they come my house, that me go my wife go cook food.
That
Where
your
go
friend,
eat?
evil.
In the night, now my wife go eat. Yeah.
Aye,
If
your
they fuck
friend
my
are
wife,
evil.
I-
Your
if
friend are
if I
evil.
if I come out go store, if I go supermarket, my wife will come say, Daddy, where you dey? You know they call house. Where you know they call house? You don't near house. I know they say now you won't know whether I don't reach house. Make me I no call cash them. I go he go they call me. You don't reach store. You don't do this. You don't do that. Make I no call cash them. Are you hearing me?
Okay, your wife go they control you. If you go out, just to okay.
That she will tell me say she need this, need that for store. Make I go. I go go. I go go as a foolish man. I go dey go.
I want only the way when I don't do because what I see what I see. I was also because I'm not making the possible.
Why they control me?
I'm not going to call you for food.
You dey control me, but you dey control me. Make I know whether the man don't come. Whether the man dey fuck you. Make don't call catch us.
Hello, my brother. You see, I say you give me respect yesterday. You call me, I advise you. You send me your daughter picture. I said that this daughter not resemble your friend. Now you resemble. So make you not let your friend kill you or make go carry your wife at class. So stay away from that your evil friend. Collect your wife back. Love her back. She said she will never do it again. And she's not going to do it again. Forgive her.
That's all true. She tell me like that. She tell me say that true. She said she do am, but she no go ever do am again. The thing, he dey hit me for chest. He hit me for chest. I be man. He dey hit me for chest, but she dey beg me say she no go ever do am again. He dey hit me for chest. I be man. You be woman. She be woman. You don't know. Say man love woman. I love her. Every month, now they send money for her parents. Every month, they send money for her parents.
I never tell you you not love me. I never talk. I don't think you love me. I never talk like that.
They are waiting there to go the fuck.
I don't know now, devil. I know none of me tell you say what you do to me before you know. You don't know. Let me tell you with my mouth. You don't know before.
That's what you supposed to
Let me tell you what you do
now
to me.
she do some man tell you, not be you catch her. You supposed to forgive her. This is the reason why many women don't want to tell their husband what they do. Now she do some man tell you say your friend fuck her. Ah, you supposed to
Mommy.
be yes.
You don't know who I be. You don't know. That makes you talk to. Because it don't take when I dey ask her. Because the thing tell me for dream. God tell me for dream. She the man before her. I don't disturb her tire. Say na lie. Say the man no fuck her. It don't take. You don't know who I be. You don't know. If you know, you don't talk like that. My mama will born me. If me and mama for village, if me and mama they go farm, if we dey work out for road, for farm, if we dey work out for road, I'll say, mama, this man you don't die you. Mama will close my eyes. Say, well, close my mouth. So I will talk like that. Before me and mama go return from farm, we go to hear cry for the person house. Say the man don't die you. Me, I don't tell my mama since morning. Many things. God, I be special person.
I know.
It is in a clear eye. She tell me. It is in a clear eye. She tell me.
Forgive her now. Yeah? She will never do it again.
She tell me. I tell she know wetin I be. She know all wetin she dey do. All wetin she dey do, I dey tell her. She dey tell me, she know they had everything for me. No be only this boy, you. Many Asian people, many. Waiting. That's so woman they be.
Oh, Salobua. Huh. Hello, my brother. You don't do yeah. You know what go happen? Send me your friend number. This your friend will cause problems, so. Yeah, send me your
Mama,
friend
I don't
number.
delete her from what I know I was again. I don't delete her off my phone just now. I know for not delete her.
Okay, not that your husband phone.
At least no, my phone now is I delete her at just now.
My brother, you don't do, yeah? You don't do. Not allow devil to scatter your home. You don't do. My sister, you are from where?
You hit me, oh.
You don't do.
You
Yeah?
hit me for chest.
You don't do. You don't do. I know
know wetin I do.
say no easy.
Nothing what she need. Nothing for this line. Nothing where we dey. That she be the best woman. Nothing what she need. When I will.
You show for her body. You show for her body so you take care of her.
Every day, every month. Like she dey. Oh. Every year, every month, now they send money, make them send African clothes for her. It's like that small clothes I show for you to do.
Everybody they beg you. Everybody they beg you, may you forgive her. Everybody here, our grandmother when they food this program, they beg you say may you forgive her. He get one man now wait 92 years. You don't send me message. You say may you forgive your wife. Forgive him. Yeah? You say may you take your wife back. Oh, now they watch me. My sister, now they watch me. I want to make people talk to your husband. Now they watch me. Now they watch.
Yes, mommy. Yes, they watch.
I put the video for television, so people want to contribute. Yeah, they want to give your husband advice. Now who get wife?
Yes, I did.
Now who get wife? Now you get pikin. So not be the friend get the pikin. Now you get her. The small girl now last born.
Na my last born, Nana called 5 years since I born and finished. It is there. I know if you get belly again.
As you born the girl finish, now you know if you born again. The time when you meet her,
she's 5 years. She's 5 years, and I call the family picking over this one. I thought, boy, I get. About another question, I mean, not going to be only one boy. I can't try, no work. And this prayer point. What is called 3 water? Now I can't get belly. My belly now they go 5 months now. I can't talk about I can't give.
My sister, you are from where? My sister, you are from where? You are from where? Eh?
I'm from Esha, Mama.
Okay, Esha. You be my sister. Your husband is from where? Your husband is
from River State. From River State.
Okay, your husband is from River State. Now, good man, you marry. Eh?
Yes, from River State.
Now, for better, for worse. Yeah, you don't do. Men now they watch us. Make a pick another people call. Okay.
Okay.
My brother, relax your mind. Okay. No fear. You and your wife. Don't allow the devil to scatter you and your wife. Yeah, my brother. He don't do. Not
I love her too much. I love her too much. She disappoints me.
Sorry.
She disappoints me.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Yeah, I beg, forgive her. I use the name of God, beg you. Yeah, forgive her because she don't already get 4 children.
She go born another pikin. She go born another pikin. Joy for me. Why?
Where not tie ne meta ma we no tie. Ubage wi fia won edi ma oni pike. Ah. What it? You mega mo wa we no wa call.
Hello.
Hello my brother. I beg you don't do I beg. I beg, forgive your wife. Find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please. That pikin now you get her. Yeah? Now you get that pikin. No fear. No fear. No, that your friend are evil. You need to run away from him.
They might tell me to say when she get a blessed night, hey, she
they see lie where they lie because if they call lie, they lie they give you. I think it's not something you know. I said she's when it I tell her say I get belly, I'm not calling her. He call me say I dey sick, where I dey sick, where I dey sick. Then I say I get belly, so I get belly and I dey sick. I don't say the bikini. I tell her I get belly. Yes, I tell her. I don't say the bikini. Oh, because say me I say the bikini. Oh, because he call her tomorrow, go see another one. They call her 6 Q. I think that's what happened. What your friend do to me? Because they against me. No problem.
It don't do. You will not lose your marriage. That your friend, you want to make your husband go so that he go come enter your life. But God will disgrace him. Yeah? No fear. Tomorrow, make two of you call me. Tomorrow morning. Yeah? My sister, say I don't.
Okay, what time I will take off?
Tomorrow I'm from 10:30.
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay.
I'll call you. Thank you.
Hello, God bless you. Hi, hello.
God bless you, mommy. You're
God bless you. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling Asia, Indonesia.
Indonesia. Where is Indonesia?
That's in Asia, very close to China.
Okay, God bless you. Hello? Oh my God.
My wife are talking. I want the only thing I want to say, I don't want to talk too much. The husband is calling the man. The wife deleted the number from her phone. So the husband still have the number. If they can give you that number, you get across to that man.
Yes.
Then it is very easy to settle this problem.
Okay, sir.
The husband.
Okay. Okay. God bless you. My sister, bros, send me your friend number. Now, waiting I ask be this. Send me your friend number. Make me call him by myself. Home destroyer. I see you not get beautiful wife. You know, say they jealous you.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, Saiti.
Hello, mom. Saiti, mommy. Mommy, you are talk by.
Yes,
mommy, I took me or see money not here, but from Indonesia. What that?
Okay.
Una, because
3.
You are a great woman. Where even while in the zona, a mama guacana, a future cara, or money. The boy in that time, getting you on your money. Now do I drag a money where they are saying, because of who know it is your back, we will bet. I are who have step. And what am I when I see him?
You only say,
Okubiano, Otalobo, I buy.
He only said, Naomi, I'm making answer too.
All right.
Naomi, I'm making answer too.
I didn't because what a laugh at one kind of because another matter with my mom is that when I come away the you're getting your money. That's one thing. No come here. I mean, I call you away.
Okay.
Something will come. When I always tell me, I do a cook here. What's okay to pay my bill again on your money? Or see what about book on you? What come away? Because I want not this is the life. And in one what? Oh. Boy, you need that boy number.
Send me the boy number.
Because we want
Because if you never talk to her, that boy not go get sense. Now so your husband, you go they put fire, they put fire. Send me the man no by my sister, Nana. The man no by.
Because woman am no be.
Yeah.
Ani agba ule, o ki ate ya mada fun e. Ano da fun e ma de gbe abon o pe anu ni amo mi o kekere ma ate mata. O kekere ma ate mata ma we na etin.
No man no kolo you na me gbege.
Maybe wa wu wo wa itori. Itori me wa wu wo wa. O ko ma we gba wa de be. We respect. Wo wa. Itori ma we because o pe no here e. O bi odo we da. Ibi drop. Go mommy. We no ya we test of money. Omo ko ni no we e body we obi e. Na ya na ka ya the truth no ro wona ni ni. Obi I'm telling you.
Okay.
That's where mommy only work about.
Come, let's see.
Okay.
My sister, send me the number. Send the number. Because I want the number ni. Other for what? That's here. Oh, I'm yare. Oh, more what you said so. Send him the number. Hello.
Hello, mommy. You are talking, Mary.
He said, "Oh, sighting where am I?" Hi.
Bonjour. Oh. There are no one by it only one year. Well, by you know, when I got you, I told you, oh, Piani, I bought my drink. I want to run a reverend father. Oh, when you went on to Bobby, you know what's up, Bob.
Oh, now.
Mommy, the area winning, oh, yeah, Doma. I told you, I bought my drink. And then one more money, we don't get one of you again and look for this again. And they are winning. Come on, in the one time I will believe in me. Or in a row, you know, that is you one. Always say, only walk away, then he is a Ladiana. I thought I go for pound. Only we are getting a good one, say, oh, you walk with me. So then it's banning. And then no time is back. I thought for you, I walk with pound. No, Yanni won't get a local warrior, but look, I have come on your my feet. I'm waiting on my beard. The truth of the matter one, as you always go boy, you way. So, what was it?
Go outside somewhere.
Hello, mommy, you're a top man.
He said, outside somewhere.
No, mommy. A topic now, in fact, the one woman you will bet. I didn't want me to be a no roy or Zimbabwe. No roy. But the red land is not the red land was a matana. But I see like matana my for very only. And the way I can DNA test number one. And number two, one of Kwoni, one of be wet a book behind me. And the red man imagine of Zimbabwe mommy or Zimbabwe. That is too much for him. Now the million lie because I don't pray that prayer for that man or that woman. When it contributes to your 1 year DNA test, you can't allow your come on me.
Go outside somewhere. What got suffer job? My sister, send me the number. I never see the boy number. Send the boy number, make I call the boy. If you not send the boy number, come. I'm not going to talk for this matter.
Mommy,
send me the boy number. He said, Jenokwa.
Now, Luema, you know. Mammy, I'm going to call you. Only a call. Now, do me what we for life. Mommy, you're an island or settle with live video. Now, wow. An island or settle with live video. Wow. Now, go. And you got time, I want to walk out of here, Johnny. I take a decision, Baba. Send nobody. And nobody on said there. I know a boy in the after a very jack book only one. Or plan on the hotel. When we go to Lama, just laugh. Everybody was a man. Even I walk for that. One. What far I think to say your Calubia here where Ocalaba Minister Mount in one society.
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Mama Domo. Mama, a platform where I only a court. Umara Sandi, when I have Yamata. So, to Jaru Pa Turia, in the sense that we won't dollar why I would follow woman. Umara San. A case in now. Or who be walking in our time sending now or this on a very or because you know no TV una gele la way wa kolosi mani enjo zokwe kwa no ta mara sandi we wa diri ya because ete ni kwa tema taya ma we okay o mi ku ifafa denu wa gbe bo ni kwa wa ewe o tigba no tigba sin o ya ki mo kwa ri clubi o ko la ya titati no ya the clubi ona retire your way mama come on e mata e bani o tigbe o mara san
the problem is aka kulori yani ri otone imegbe na mori ori oto e ti me kene me beti ya no ya gbegbe wa yen va na ka ori otone
kakabo obeji maybe buru koto na do be we ni na ata egeni meti ko tulawe ovie to mahin umara san di mi te gunwe na ati tano umara san uji me ni keni o ma dede pa yi emi ro paro mama wa lawe ti mata emi ro no dani do ya no do ya kan I'm telling you the truth why am I no ro una lawe ti bu mama keni akewe afa wo da fun ewe e pa ofeto o sio eni arugwe e je eni akoli you don't enter motor you don't come down you don't do this one or you be all monitor o mama stand so mama e mata na di I'm telling you the truth e na wo na all money why you obi ke muwe in ya we DNA is very very important. Umara stand so owo piani obiani okeke na ogun na iyan obiani try ti mani obi edono nke ni wa be oro nu that is the truth this edono mama I'm telling you when we know to know that ni obiani na very nice man very very nice man
you are me
we are all we are we are supposed to get friend who work kan egbe yi mani obia amawo okuno pie nu wele ogun fe nu we bi yi o garant wa we diva mama that man a very nice man no na you take care easy
nice
you know a very nice man mama I'm telling you the truth
Here kwa bin ogwe no te here kwa supermarket so that was supermarket ara si yen pagbe
so mama I'm here ni to dolota tame ona ki we be na ije ko platform na to rebo o mara san de na mi we bi ma yo ni santa ge ni we no pay ma we outside program na won wa gele mu diane we no pay ma we wa gan kole bo ni o yo o uzo le bo ni o ta o mara ton bi to re ma we aju bi mama na yo no obi temata wali mama so no ni dey my
wese he Jimmy hello God bless you
Weje
you said to where me
mama yere atokbe
se
o ba atokbe
se
igi maka no ro to na we odon ame na ni mu ale la wo je ni yi ma pata ma mata na o ri bi ka ye wo sete wo wa kede de ade ru ayo sete wa ko so ti manu ko na o wo ba fuba go bo je no bunde nitu yana o ri o yi na me we no han do be eyin na ko ma wa we ni o ba no so nu we gba le no be the other friend of we o si wa ba wa ye e ma ni awe gbe ya ni jo e no ka ma wo ko na we o mo ni yin o nya e ro ye be ta de mana la wo je enu ami no bu yana uti e bi eke
uno tafe uchu una uno tafe owo ko bien ye mo uno ko na tafe no una wo bia na o balo no kwa no o bia ni zin gbe na do mewe e mata na o na ogbegbe wa no bia ni ogbegbe wa zelo aworan wa no le wo ko na o na mewe na adu ya age wo da o no sun se ke mata na yeke onu biari ade nu ko ri ade dini ana wa sin egbe ni esin gbe so da nu gbe ni àwọn pc ta do ga ara agbon de ri yo ye ba na ro pa agbogbo nu gbe nu ku a ru edo nu gbe ni ajo ba lo ni re o ti do gboko na wa yo ba o iwe ni to gbe gbegbe e wa láwòye mata na wo ku ti gbe ni ade no ba re nu ti gbe ni bi yeke no ta se o ri live video na we wa ti gbe na yo gbe na expose ri ate ni so na no mai ka ma wa Ogani ke doka we yon nyamo. Ko no ko le na. O gani ko le we wo sunu ogun yan ma rin yan ma. O ye na me ko gi la na yin panic. Na doka we yon mo ko we do no ba ko we. Wo ya sunu we. E na ka video ni forward ni review the city ma wo yen. Ile la wo o ti manu ko na wa yi ti e to ta. Nu no ka se ze ri. O ma yi te won ta fo e fi egbe e na wo yen o. Wa wo yan gbegbe wa. Well, there are women of Janet or no agreewa. La would be only in Unita, society wedding. A matter and I know I conclude the live video with the love who were mount.
Hello.
Hello, come on me.
Eh, sighting wedge.
Come on, mommy, you are so bad.
Wow, nigga get more Italian now. Okay. There you go. Hello from Italy.
Hello, mommy. Good evening, ma.
God bless.
Thank you, well, mommy. Thank you, well, mommy.
Mommy, my contribution. Wait, my sister, 1 minute. Me take with you a sign here where Ohono Biani Mamugo Joe. Iya say, go be a way a few words or Ira Lilo Mave. That automatic Okoni Wabu. Me carry me nanu, or no, we Sankba with Paris. We ibi sana go bia rowa iyen le look bia we yan le look bia wa gu that in call ye we yan hello gwan.
Hello mommy mommy wetin I want try to contribute. You know say you be our mother, so I know the help when you don't help many people for here, because to do DNA test now, even the one when they belle they fit do DNA test, so 1,000 will reach for the two. May they all go carry the two go. May they all do DNA test. May that man get rest of mind.
No, the man say what
so more try to contribute money. More give the man 1,000, 5,000. They say they do each DNA test. So that make that man get rest of mind. If we can see help for this, the man will see the marriage will work. If this man no say now these children are you, he go forgive this woman. So if we do that one for her, it will be great. Thank you, mommy.
God bless you.
Amen.
Hello. Well, they tell me happy, ne? Okay, they sapo. I give me one. You got me where there is no help again this year. Why you not do a pull more well there? No more help this year. If anybody need help, now next year. This year is over. Then I do after me happy. I was once and a bag me what my daddy. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, come on, me, mommy, you're not talking.
This
come on, me. Monday, my time on the road when you contribute to you. They try to WhatsApp you or they busy. Now when you call it direct, la wo mommy, then no when on the video. Matana mommy, when they I know one call it back higher. Boy in the papa because the day when I night, I'm in Nigeria, where then yes, I believe in our. So the day where only have to soon die. Now we go, no carbon no a boy, not the boy me. That's a one is that number. So what the boy who's made the boss, and I am here where the boss say matter when no for so the mommy. Sorry to say, why when you have a because they didn't mean another yard belly so I was in. Yeah, that's a free, but I'm here when no young old down way no only came out a web boy, I will be okay. But you can settle the money. I will wear the only year because of funny where I am in one point. Cow and the period and none in Nigeria. Cow witness saying, come on.
A matter now, what girl, where you want. More forget this matter. Everybody know.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, what girl, where you want. I want to want you. It's okay like this.
Express me ya sama mommy, we no ya sunu mommy. And you ask that no give a sense no. Hello, when it's a mommy.
Let's get 2 minutes.
Okay. After I say no jewo mo no jewo, yeah, gwa yo jewo money. Amana you ya sama boy ni we onyamo. E boy ni esi me ni la jewo muta. What a plan? When I have when I was the LSS, it's not the one of one. A boy, oh, he on Yamo. And no, it's a good through that, but so Lugao, a boy, my war was in there, or Walena Woman or Wali Masunu, or like separation of it. He might be separate. A problem in a KJ. Oh, my friend, his friend, and my take back, and my brother, but the come back in and take it. Understand? Now we are here, ma. Ona talk the masikere. Obe akwa ma dey around me. Ako mi ni ya ama. The problem no kwa no. E di ene test do pu be akwa do ewe wo mo ge. O me ori. Obi ka ni 7 years. O ya agbo ma no ya mo sirie. Understand? E na mo mi so make kere. That e di ene test ni awe di ene test. Uta di ene test. E problem na for what? Ego enokpa no manya wo no do afoko ko gine jo no do afoko ko no manya wo wa oni eti ya we ni ti so bring back up at separation so make sure we peace we happiness here ni are o mini ruje wo money who that said the mommy e je le te so ni agwali go na ya ma mi go ya we je le na so me when da for e mani when no we so na record so that ni make na when you for free if not all over Ezo le kere parce na le problem na ya say mommy e get me already abe. I go here to one more na boy am one de sere. E boy one more we want to fuck you we. They can our je wo gba me le be gboni dem mommy. Mani ko mama ya le yo. I me me ari we e sari tri dono. That the man le gbona dem mommy. Hello.
Egbe wa wo mi ka o sa ti wo.
Imam gonna jam na ebo ti o ba de we ya fi o meme. Ibu se for many years. O le no boy years. I'm not going to the banner. Me gonna je o boni e overnight. Me ni wa e ma ni e ti go rigaji ne. O we ani e ti go rigaji ne mo mi o ga ti go rigaji ne. O wa weje. O so fi o do afoki we le pass. Imagine body them on me. I want to when I see it. I want money no jawu no see na college. When you have money at record, no you prove no ya more. So that make now a DNA test. Without that, all the problem na 20 years to come. I don't know for so. And now I see separation near at last. Oh man, no just strong for you again. Oh man, I'm mommy, dada.
Hello from London. Hello. Hey, pardon.
Hello.
It's Domosa.
Hey, we do mommy talk back.
It's what on?
About the manga. Now you know when you go here.
Okay.
Because where the la nothing gani kenoko here, nothing yagmo and now boy.
Yeah, love it. So
many water.
Nothing yagmo.
Anything here you done. Why not back from my film? Because my damn here no there you can't try. Who are telling setting on Facebook. Who really where when I go carry yourself where the here be your money. It can't so thing in those sign. You make sign your money. So meaning to say a boy not take out any take clean man and we run again in my ground for boom when a but that is time I weapon. Say matter also I'm when live really no going one because a boy any carbon love again he really get love the at last or make love very love because I might really born at this where do see you beg what that follow very beg in your car you know that tell the left. Oh, your bro is six of you and on your car, your boss will be. Then why have we got anyone? No forgive, no forget. I mean, we never DNA. A civil partner, my young, Yamo. I want to borrow the team, Yomo. Oh, yeah, big bear, Nekota. When they born in mine, we are with DNA. we no vie mo lawa e caso no tie no do sign your mo e me ni abeg o ka ya via Facebook no we na do tie do sign your mo o we ba ya you e na we do tu we ni amia e we na do sign your mo na wish me something institution by the get na ita ma ne ene do yele wo mo ni ke o ni mo yele ta ma ita we no te we this was sign your money never made a mistake mana me comment never made a mistake no more we am we waro no obvious no more e pe pa ye na so they made that mistake I no your man no koko mo we o ero mo we go you should know that
you know your friend
your friend
with the DJ
the boy made a mistake. Oh yeah, no do I look at biologically. We no forget it, we no forget, we no continue that. That guy is a bad guy. Every guy, he laugh all do it.
Because somebody they talk. Epa, may you cut her and they talk with the brother. Okay? I'm not bagay come. Nobody should come. Make her talk with her. So as they bring the case, come now.
3.
Benam, Abi, you don't know me. Okay, they watch me now on YouTube. Okay, now me, my brother, God will bless you. For you to respect me, me too, I respect you. Yeah? Because this matter now, it don't, now since yesterday, now it reached my hand. So now I can say, make you give me your telephone number. Make I really confirm. Because the way the girl here explain her, and he husband say you tell her say when the girl taking, the girl call you, tell you say she get belle. Not true. Now the man with the lady, two of them they license. You see how? Because your friend say he want die. Now make I say may not die. Say nothing way. I don't know what I want to talk anyway. I want to hear from you first. No. If you like, watch me now. I'm not put her for speaker. Unless now you permit me to put it on speaker. Okay. It don't reach 4 years when did it happen. Yes. Please, can I put it on speaker so that because the whole world already know the matter, may they still hear from you. Because with always the son a bad friend now you be, so that you can talk your mind. Nothing where person never see before. If you they follow me, you go see say matter we don't pass this one. We don't see settle because your friend they listen. He say he want kill himself. I just want to make you talk and put in mind down. You know what they try to talk. Make her put her for speaker. Yeah. Okay.
Well, waiting there, say me, I know go dey talk other things where the woman no talk out. And make I respect her, make her.
But the girl say now you tell her, now you tell the husband say you tell her say now you get that their last born. Not true.
Wait, listen at the I know say you don't put the phone for loudspeaker now.
Yes. We want really know.
I know say
now you two get her. Now you two get her. I beg my brother, tell us the truth. I beg.
My sister beg, waiting there for Pekin. A woman I know who get Pekin.
Okay.
You understand? The day when this man call me, he talk waiting in talk. Me I like won't deny say I don't do anything like I waiting happen for long time ago.
Okay.
Not knowing say I don't know what happened between the two. The woman come open up to Ram. So I was like, oh, who tell you say this thing happened between me and your woman? Give your woman phone. She's inside her woman. So the woman like tell me, say, yeah, say she don't tell her what thing happen. So me myself, I got to like say, okay, fine, this thing happened, but a mistake. A mistake, it happen. You understand? A mistake if this thing happen because me myself, I don't believe, I don't be that kind of person who live that kind of life. And the woman, I don't see her that kind of person maybe where they work out about. You understand? So when the thing happened, I explained to the man, yeah, this thing happened now, so it take happen now, so it take happen. No. But I did sorry. I tell the man, say, if you notice doing that, me, I stopped to call your place. You don't know the reason why I stopped to call your place. They ask me, say, call my friend, why you know they call my place? I say, maybe I walk, I make up, but I avoid this thing, no, they go on. You understand? Me, I just withdraw because I know say that thing I will continue. I withdraw myself because I know they live that kind of life.
But you not tell your friend though, say now you get the pikin. My brother, they listen.
I never. How I go come out, tell and say, let me get. I only tell and say, see you when this thing happen because I don't know. Me, are they confused? I don't know what they don't talk before this thing come outside. You understand? So now the man, when the man talk, I say, okay, when this thing happen, she later come tell me say she get belly. Yes, she tell me say she get belly. So for woman to come to tell me say she get belly. So I was like, oh, you get belly for me, or I know even because the thing they sound somehow, it sounds like say I dream. It be like you get belly. How? I know.
Excuse me, sir. When she tell you say you get belly, you ask her say you get belly for who? Now me, I be na your husband. You ask her.
The way she take talk and she like they tell me say na me give am belly.
Na joke it dey. Na joke. That pikin not be you get her. Nah, the pikin.
My dad, me no they go claim anybody pikin. Even when the man they talk, I don't say no be me get pikin. Now you get pikin.
Okay. You see how God.
I tell the man say no be me get pikin. Now you get pikin. I tell the man say okay, if your mind no accept, you go do test. Me, I know they can't drag any pikin with you. You only ask me question, I tell you what thing happen between our two. You say, make I tell you two what thing happen, I tell you. You now they insist, they tell me say pikin. I say, why I go come, why nothing concern me concern pikin? Why they ask me your own pikin? You they tell me say, let me get pikin. I say, how I go take get pikin? I tell I say pikin, I need pikin.
Okay, you the yara now. Wait, so you want die? You want?
And they tell the man say na him get pikin. The man they insist say as far as say me and I do that thing, and she tell me say she get na pikin na my wife. I say oga, no be me get, na you get. The man like they force me. It's like say they force me make I accept. Yeah, na me. I don't even know say the man don't carry this matter reach here. I tell her, I beg her, say, okay, maybe this matter just end as we talk am. Make it finish like that. He tell me say, oh, you no go tell, say you no go carry and go out. I'm not knowing say you don't even carry and reach that place. Hello?
Hello. Nah, no vessel. Now, true, say the woman they sleep with her husband for inside bed. You can't knock her, you can't call and go step. Not true.
But why, which kind of talk with that one? How me go come do that kind of thing? How? You see, man, no verse. You know, say, me now, you get a lot of things where we say if I talk now. You know, which me, I know just one, since they no talk go that side, maybe if I talk now, go, the thing now will come bust, you come, so, I don't make a no talk. You understand? Because now they only ask the man only ask me, oh, whether this thing when your wife talks to me we can do, we do. I say yes, but my mistake. Are they sorry? I know expect this thing will come out after 4 years or 5 years. To show you, say me, I know they live that kind of life. I avoid, I run, I know they call your place again. I just withdraw myself that time. The man tell me, say, yeah, in notice. Say, he get time when I stop, they come. He come, they tell me, say, why I know they come again.
Oga, you the hear now. Very simple matter. Now you just go they panic, you want die. See what your friend they talk now. You see, why you want to kill yourself? 5 years ago, now the thing happened. Say you run away from your wife. You know what made that mistake happen again. Pikin, now you get on. The pikin resemble you. So love your wife back. Wetin I dey look for, I don't get am. Now I want make it talk. Now you don't talk public, you don't hear am. So my brother, God will bless you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Una hear am now. Yes, Ogelewe, but Okpene. A man, you will be a zolota. Ah, it still fuck my wife. How many HR boy you see say fuck your wife? Not be you catch him. As the girl don't they do prayer points, now he confess. Because I mean they tell them for you say, if they know say they do something, make they confess to their husband and make una forgive them. Now he don't confess to you now. You say you want to kill yourself. Kill yourself for what? After having 4 children for you. It's any more speaker. I'm not tired and I want no. Okay, now what said to him? Every time even time I have a lot of call to receive. I don't have time nowadays. I don't have time. Don't have time at all. Can't carry this matter. I can't spend 1 hour on a day. I'm not fit. If anybody want to talk with me, 2 minutes is okay. I don't have time. This time, oh, I'm a last speaker. It's only my speaker. Hello. I'm a last speaker, man. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, God bless you. Go side to where? You the lawyer side. Who they talk?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Mommy from Germany. I don't know her.
Okay, now you that my wife?
No.
Okay, I dey listen.
Mommy, what I want to tell you in this matter, I'm sorry to I call, but they bother me, but what I want to talk. I know that man is feel bad because the friend sleep with your wife. So even if not 10 years or 20 years, mama, it's wrong.
I don't want to put fire. I don't want to put fire. Everybody knows, say yes, it's wrong. Everybody know. But could they put fire, put kerosene, put enemy, make one bunny? I don't need that kind of a thing. Waiting I need, I want me the marriage come back again. Okay? Everybody knows say it's bad. Even if now 100 years time is bad. But we don't need that now. All we need now to pray for the marriage, make it the number 1. I be you notice I be mumu. I not be mumu, eh? I know what I did do. I know what made this marriage scatter. Now stand for. So anybody when no one understand this problem, don't come. I don't want to make anybody blame the woman or you blame the enemy. It's over. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, God bless you, Saba Wesi.
Yeah, you're at talk, babe.
It's what's around from London.
Yeah, la, Waro Tona,
Having an Italo because Serena 4 years ago or soon a diamond at Wariat, your Ebiniwa Bewo, Nerunia. Your family, your sorry, Yahami Guavino, Yahweh, Dollar, that Lord Doma they talk. A man on Sigbo, it will not see all the warriors. Ebinawu for 4 years ago, a bold Wariat, your John Nerunia, Nifuana, blah, 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 as the GI. That is the only thing you can come away. God bless you.
Bless you, sir. Because Emi Igaru no never yana, Gualemina to Ejo. Why me, why my program na? Why na? I was Zazawa, but see, because a marriage and or Yegbe. So Ima no Zaga. Nedima forgive. I can't forgive up your Yabia. So when it learn, you have forgive ye. We're not forgiving. Ima boyeko.
3.
Me I evaluate na metiko komo. Hello. Okay, what do I call it? What do I nyanya jo me gwali gboni. Awa. Igwalon wa nyanya jo. I want to settle this marriage for better for worse. That we stay together in the name of Jesus Christ. Hello.
Hello, come on me.
Eu sai tu.
Sati we from Italy. Mo sende no benika ogive media. So yakbe ne segunu leru jo.
Ugari picture ni ka ona ya kan gbe we talk about sinu. Let you say no quality ni ka o site we.
It's easy me na we know them. So ma vivi me mana ina maro work ma. So na we vade ba ya. So mina read the two na no tuto. So na gire between ya the woman na ina no ka no na kama me we me me view we be ma ya you so is that me only no ha do amu the woman na we na ye we rio
na utie me ba ko woman won utie me ba ko mutama me utie me ba ko o de 10:30 okay
ma'am okay ma'am
okwo ga fi owo edo a asebe ku efo a watemata okwo na fi owo yo na ye mistake fi owo yo a asebe fi a o ba ya ku efo a again na what that when omaga izibane egi oriyo egiri oto
6
oriyo egiri oto okwo ipe eva na wiyan eko ga la o iya ame double minds owu ye ma de Peter nyan owa bi mana mu ekona niye o sunu na we ami owi okan o kera eni je wu ye be mune ije no pia so no wala wo eta ma ekenemerie agmoya ekenemerie beta ma kene marriage na pa wa go saloba Georgia wa gi ma try go be ma as a human being. I really love the page now ga no be they think no go they think we are here avia la do we be big man yakin so ma only marriage na pa wa gaja bian a wi ko me no feel where you are do a ohun ya ye jabian oye jabian so pa na ga igwere gbe we no ga o ka o no ga o keke o le mi pa ni me be ro hello wa lo wa o to hello we
God bless you. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Omane. Hello. Okay. Come, mommy. You want me to well since then? What even a 3 weeks away? You well, but yes, you may stand here comment. Then you want me to when I will call you. Well, God bless you. I really miss you. I love you. I miss you. God continue to be with you. God continue to strengthen you. Continue to uphold you. You will not fail. You will not fall.
Amen. The marriage will be okay.
Can we say contribute but
mayo na wanyanya jowe mi no ko na uma na wa ka beti ba we zebo ya kana gwa mi na mami eje
that we your mommy can go from my only me ya na after me ya was that when I'm going after see when around the parents now because of that they will have to forgive one another, especially the man. He will not soon for some time of
Salopa where they are both alive. And the woman too, although Guan, she came out, her conscience is speaking and she came out. So that's enough. What if she doesn't say it? So I just think, my brother, if you are listening to me, it's not easy. Other men are saying it. It's very painful, we know. But you too, you have your fault. So you have to let it go. The woman too, you have to let it go. Forgive. Come back to your home. That first love, Waka and me. You should try and relocate it, and so that God will help you establish that home. God does not support divorce. It's not, this is our prayer line. We are also Saloban, always worldly one. So when you divorce, no. There is nothing. As far as the man said he still love her, he should not be bothering himself like that. He should just let it go. Because okay. Do you know the character on the camera? I be the woman when I am a do you know the character the man of Kenya? So it's just we should always try and forgive one. It's difficult, but we should try and forgive one another. So God will help us. God will continue to give us the grace to be able to live in this life. The life itself is not easy. It's a grace of Allah, so God will help us. Every one of us, I just use this opportunity to talk to every one of our brethren. We should pray for them that God should enter it so that it is not what we say, it is what God says about them that matters. So we should just pray for them. God bless.
Bless you too, man. Igbini na ya ni diwege na. Egwe kwakwa to anyanya jo. Anyanya je kesi very o emekwe o. They are very nice. The couples look nice, And in a Suela relationship, mama. Hello.
Hello, mommy. You're at okay.
It's outside somewhere.
That's where mommy. Now, question where I want to answer. Now, question where you ask, say, Ishan people, should they sleep with another master, their house, or whether they die?
Now, what did they tell me for Paris?
Some parts, if you see that family, you still ask the woman. The man things see the heart for the man because they can't spoil the thing, say, because men go they die. Because at this time, they know what made that they die. But things go they hard for the family until the woman confess.
Bon?
So now things go they difficult, guys. The man no go they get luck as before. Things go come they hard for the family. So until the woman will use her mouth tell the husband will still forgive, and then the woman will call the family. Then the mother will pray for the woman, keep good. So like that, if the man still loves the wife, he will take him back. And that one makes me know. Thank you, Mommy.
God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
Settlement must be, whether the devil like it or not. Una marriage na for better for worse. They kill Sakamoria. Onu Sakamoria. Even if one is just an ugly some way. Even if one because the marriage was not really. So I would not reject with it. Oh yeah, we are going. Then I was selfie. Oh yeah, Maggie Macaulay. Nido. Okay, my yammy. Why agree me yam honey? What the maga get near yam man, maybe a money ma. Oh, money ma.
Hello, mommy.
Eh, sight to what we Jimmy.
Oh, mommy. Mommy, you're a talk, babe.
We say, Lord, where would you?
Hello, and mommy, why say, Venia no Nima? And in the only gear and a boom where a salt and water ministry, a church, is connected to God.
Yes.
I get an apple here. We should have three things in mind: repentance, love.
Yes.
Do you understand? Repentance, love, and follow the way of Christ.
Okay.
Any temptation, any marriage in experience a temptation, we should learn how to forgive. Do you understand? I want to work Boko now and not Because a church in a Salt and Water Ministry is a church.
Okay.
It's a church where we practice how to forgive, how to change.
Yeah.
Emomita wo mako no we prayer here, o mana confess in no cow. A prayer here, and we na me.
Oh.
So, oh, one other by member in my I confess my mommy with me a cow. So we should be happy. Heaven is rejoicing
Yes.
for confessing our sin and changing our way. Not boy confessing my wife. You understand?
Yes.
So okay, can my go ni ma bo ma go le ni ma ya kule my de ma. Is that a man now? Oh man, okay, there is no okay can ya go. 4 years ago, ni na na sunu na no why no de.
Okay.
So ye na me wu ba ma o le wo do confess o ho ni ya make na me afi gwe de dagbe ya. O me wa confess de ni ya wa gbe wa ga kwa for word on no. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder.
At all.
O salobo vien eva kugbe mana do bo hie na ya zaria Maria bosa. So o sama bo hie o makete mana na gbo aboye. So yoni mani bu we Salt and Water Ministry is a church. Please. Why di mega bo hie na me we o wo bo ma je gbe wa onari abi wa gbe wa na wona wa kwefa na wona wa. That is just ya we. My mana gbo idara gbo na. O salobo oyo hima bima. Do you understand? I'm not supporting the woman, but everybody have sinned and conscious of the glory of God. If you repent, heaven rejoice.
Okay.
Let's forgive her and give her another chance.
Okay.
Mommy, you're a talk by where's the mom?
Bye-bye.
Bye, mommy.
So, let's say, I'm not going to zaza when a program is swing. If you know, say you're not finished. If you don't say your Oliver, you don't try have your own tomorrow. 10 o'clock now today. I know when I come here Saturday and I'm here to pray for my Oliver. Every Friday. Now today bless her. Anointing oil. You go put salt for inside and your life will never be the same again. Okay? Who never gets her, you the miss so. Every Friday, now to the blesser. Now free. Now you go buy by yourself. This one is not even up to €2. They're not anything from God. They're not the seller. Now free. Okay. Sorry, now you said to my 2 hours here. Temokba. Yeah, we just. I mean now. Or check him and obun. Oh, biana. Wabok biana igaro wane. It's a Waro wakman omugo jo won mamugo jo obi omo pa no pia po give unless on me a condition go pia ni jie unless wo me no jie o na hia na ka my way no ya mugo ijo no ya mugo jo cause a condition go am me we maybe no pia me na maybe so ever ya like na we marriage ka ya bi yeke. But on a gajo one, and there are many people know where Joa, yes, so web bua. Who I hope the animal book on or ye. On a waka web book on Nigeria. On my second family wage. 2 weeks a bit with no bay, or massive go bewe, or I will bad there with sister, the animal bonoyari way. A mamma bay, many people are wrong. I go know that farmer, no ya make bomber. It's a curse. Arigo no piano ya mugo yo. No ya miekbewe, no ya way tradition. It's a curse. A rima have to bring the money's out. Ge mugo ge lazano ya mugo jo. That is called a rima. On a to sen on the oko. O piano ma sen on the oko. Oko rigo no ya miekboye. Why down when sister? Or in Nigeria man am go no ya me family we no ewe. A marriage ila. O ma we marriage we 100 years. You can do your marriage when you are 100 years. Do unuk bono iri ya migo. We no do migo jo. So saloba de ba maya. Mama gine ruja me na since 3 days na abi 4 days. Maya no nwa me na be dene na be tio saloba be tinika. Maga wo okoko ni mariri u. Maga nwa me na makewo ko na yin gbe mari. Maga we ko de ni manari abosa baba. Maga nwa me na baba nuja bima. Kemi negi ma no reda gbe ma baba ja me na ya po leko anima. O piano no ko no no kwali mademe maga nwa me na baba gu deme ni gesu no wiki o wa. Eri oga jebe, eri oga jebe, eri oga jebe. Wi ya wi yori. Baba nu la ho. Doja me na ya possess ni ma sona. Doja me na ya with my deliverance. Doja me na ya ki my we mi amenori ma we gbe. Doja me na ya settle a marriage. Doja me na ya ki my wu na ya hama. Doja me na ya ki my we zo. Ki ma yo go le motina. E ki ma jezo la. E ki ma jezo we mi po. E ki ma we jezo ya supo no de. Baba nu la ho. Ju gwe ya gwe ma. Wo ba no so ba wo ge no so ge. Ugwe koma no ja we ju we mi ro pa logo. Baba we si. Ekpo me wuro mo kenu. Iga nwa me na baba bobe ga kokun ne gian. Keke nu ri aje o nu neru na. We kegia no gire tak mo we. Uga nwa me na tu ka gbera yan. Kegia no de gbe we de. Uga nwa me na tu ka gbera yan. Uma e no popo wo ma e no solo we gbe. Uga nwa me na te ku ga mu yan. E ti o salo ba le ti ni ka. Maga nwa me na o da ma ga ure. Egia ya fefe no gwalo mo deme ga nwa me na wa ya ga di. Egia kenya no gbe ni ga lo ta wi etiti ga nwa me na ga le ekewe titi. O pe ani no ko no we ni e do pa nítorí la dia na jo i ga nwa me na ni ka o ga do gwe jo. Igi o wa we ga kin baby. E ta gbon we ga kin baby. Ri o ga je be cho sa lo ba be ti ni ka. Ame na ga ze se yan me gbere. I ga nwa me na baba le baba ko da do ga ne ru o ga wherever you are pray your prayer. Pray your prayer. Iga nwa me na Jesu Kristi no me ma fa pe ari no ko no no gi gwa lo mezo. Baba iwe nu ya heru moyi. Ge ra tetin pa no ga de fieti. E ge mi ogogo be dagbon e. We ti Jesu Kristi no me ma fa. He said. So, my brothers and sisters, every day we they do program. 7:30 tomorrow now will see me here. Because last time, a network me was down. Now I went down. I see speaking, and I go say you don't speak. When I allow me speak, as well as say if I speak English, now you go make all those BB stars they share my video. I go de gbele am now. I go de gbele the English. Make una help me the chair. All those Igbenedion children, I beg make una the chair. Because me matter who whatever I take video ime. Ama we to why am we wo. Salobo weso. O saloba gele bless my ya wona. Maya fefe o saloba gele bless ma. O saloba gele tin maya mu. O saloba gele rukpa yimabo. O saloba gele yekwe mu egia. O saloba gele o gele begi maya jowe. Imi ayi wazo. E don't know what we lamu ni wa we zo. Cause we are gone now. O saloba we ni zo e better. But I want to do first segment. We need to say ehin. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. Omano ore YouTube. Oh, tag with thumbs up. Oh, mass omano weme. Yeah. Oh, mass omano weme. Adobe mass omano suse. Adobe mass omano humi. Thumbs up. Talk egbe rai. On a me thumbs up. Avian ma meeting like YouTube. Avian ma meeting me one have a YouTube. Iya be agi o ma go ma be wait thumbs up. Wa neru na gbon ma wa. Wa neru we have aro ne ba wa be wait thumbs up. A thumbs up I me na me bo. Awa be ya we form. Because all see and osaloba ma na meeting bless wa. A YouTube ni me ye one day ya me subscriber 1,000. How many days in na one bu me yeti because of una wicked man, because of what I me matter why he be or woman mama or who no na ma ma why set me ma we need Jesus Christ no me mafa why set ma even na ta say ukpe man gba we no dojo who wa dojo ama no wait thumbs up or mass on no betting. O maso no kezopa o lakpa. O maso no jeso yari ebae. Ado maso no ra. O maso no recortis. O no wait thumbs up. O maso no gebo. O masa ogmaije. O masse manire ye ni rugboni. Ya masse ya. Abe ba no ta we thumbs up in YouTube. Cause in win egbe emu. In win egbe we mana mu we ba we mi a o ya te thumbs up. Do wa man wine. Why when a wagon no saloba do bless you? O saloba bobege oboye wata. Thumbs up is just it's like a form. Amigo way. Take thumbs up. Because some people value that thumbs up more than money, man. Because here when you know, here maja ojige government, here when you win a normal job. Here that demon talk more better. On my job with YouTube. Okay. Abo amabe moto ni yafi. Wano je thumbs up ya giya. Wa make boy. Aba lalu no abe. Abe mani mamie no gie no mie. What is thumbs up? Also, wana. Hello, sighting where?
Come on, me, mommy. Come on, me. Come on, me, devil. Come on, me. Mommy.
Give it.
It's your mother was a dog by my vine away. Yeah, when 6 months here. So, not the I spend in my one hour when he call it life with you. And then ya calling. You know, mommy, hospital. So next year, my soul come on me.
Where 6 months we are bien. I may be the 6 months here.
The mature ya pure. So in the higher seniors in the Nikao, a prayer person when not a look for our own me. So you can have done as more down the so it might take us here momona yet, dear momona you were. It might take us here momona you keep the Imateka go mona gomesia. Zebe no mika o me to fiete nena. Ya weni side de demo. Iga ama ina ko. Ana ukibira me uwe January. Utalia mame. Una moko ina we prayer point ina amneru nave manikwalo mo. So ana to so ene to ana to so me. It is one. So, the Nako, in a way, ukibera me o we like it you. Maybe ama uwe coronavirus ni agboya na ro wa matio malatia after 6 months in a hospital. Now when you shake kome, in a way movie, a kome makbolo, you send me with the hammer.
Jesus.
But this hospital, you were a mama where or was here, remember so Jenna, in our 6 months or Jenna. You were a woman with 3 weeks, or mama is J. There, college your mercy with you, now we are. A college 3 weeks, a college 6 months. The very anamia city, but yeah, here were area or Macbolo or Mawan warrior bar, for a 3 weeks, no. Come mercy with you, no. You know, okay. This is my judge, you know, if you're building the Vanilla hospital way. They the hospital way, this is in your vita, in our fear. Here now, never not to aware a prayer point. You got to see where we were sending your margin well. A momijore when the mammy says it, the near FSS, not really assume. In our room, it's a patient, GRE, and then the prayer. Neru. The guest hospital ni awe ni ari ya wedi ya ni muzi ave tu kwisi. Ni a sheke do e si ari vai. Do e si nwa, do e si bolo na woke. Na to gbe tu kwisi hospital. Udave ya mami.
Idave ya.
Hello?
Idave ya nugwa.
Okay. Na to gbe tu kwisi hospital. Maybe the doctor read the never see where ye doctor where yet getting a warm way. You know, let's see with you. What 3 weeks, no. A commerce 6 months. What 3 weeks? Why am way? Well, yeah, why I could come now more 3 weeks. Oh, we are in a manam way. What my said it will be my far. So near 1 way. Ya Meru, ya Fia, your fishing cow. It is a web hospital. Ale doctor anome where the bishop no nahi. Eya nome. Ya vie nya bishop ya. Iri eje ko. Iwe ni abumere. wabumere iga kọli wee someke not na me fetile so ya ne do moi ya ge moi me ma beze ne no mo etui ya beze ọmọna wa etui o metiri wisi na na be to te na wa ya koko na moi imi ayi telefe hospital
o metiri wisi
wa ya koko
etiri wisi be ki ọmọ ne
ima gbe wa bo re aktere wisi ki ọmọ ne na o ki ọmọ ne
tiri wisi
ina wa ya koko na mo imi ayi telefe make da for me na do I courage me ye worry ave do I wa ye worry ugo kioma eri adu na do awe prayer ya we prayer we ya tu temi kao even the midnight the dog ba be bomi ati ogo mi me ogo ni ge ifie ogo money ogo gogo wa tie ogo wa tie ri ro na we igwe agwụmegwana eti anyị vụesi wee vọse edede nọ ịna agwụmegwana ọgwa kemiri ọkpawo mọni ụgọgọ nọ egwọrọ n'ihe agha ma ọ bụ kpa ịna-ekwere gbebesue preya ịna-ekwere gbesue preya ede na-ekwere gberedomie dise edede ọbere ọgweniga gị ọ na-ekpe ihe agweni ya mụ enwere n'ihe amụne so ni amie nene nwezi ya n'ihe somoni ya n'ihe agọgaghị okpọma ọmọniga nwa igwoke igwere gbebesue ibi awe prayer again
cut a shot or say osaloba wese imacho we tiri wisi no ọmọ tiri wisi eki ọmọ 6 months no 6 months
6 months mommy
tiri wis
6 months 6 months mama ye ko 6 months iya mo la te so etui
3 weeks
etui mama ye ko iya mo la te etui
where picture ume picture
ma
ume picture gege ni ya mo la te snap a picture
mo la te
send him the picture. Send him the picture because 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
The check a dollar for me, father for me. I call now. But the phone was your network.
Maybe not.
You check a dollar for me. Or father for me. I said the papa now.
Maybe 3 months. No, 3 weeks.
Mommy.
We said the area. Na mata ya 3 weeks omomo wa o wa yan omomo na be 3 weeks sage 3 weeks ma hello we me we sisuma ogun me mu egbe yo mu eyeko we 3 weeks no
hello mommy
how you na dey now low your side hello how na dey to be hear the time when that boy they talk
yes I hear what they talk
may your husband cool in mind you know see you don't even live in a family tete
ayo
so you not talk bad thing
na my husband they put for the matter no be me for me say na him they do the matter or they force the boy say talk like this. Let me do it. If you don't talk, you don't get to water you again. Now they put for the matter. It's not a small matter before now he come make a high like this.
What if it's small matter? Give me phone. Give me phone. Small matter, what if it's small matter? Because say you open you talk in your shower. Now the small matter. What if it's small matter?
No call your wife shower.
At the pocket of wife. Give me. George, say na small matter. What is small matter? Hello, mommy.
Hello, my brother. Say, to be here with your friend, they talk, Nana.
He tell me. He say, if he still can't call us, he still call me again.
Okay.
He still call me after I talk to you. He still call. Now she force her, may fuck her. What is small matter? You don't know what it be. Say another man dey fuck your wife. You and the man they eat together for the same house. You go serve me and the man food. I go to eat. No be abomination be that. Hello.
Yes, not true. You don't do may you fuck.
May you pray, oh, may you pray. Yeah. May you pray, oh, may you pray for her. Make things better.
You go better.
May you pray. Make things better.
You go better.
Make things better, oh, make things better.
You go better.
I don't tire.
I beg.
I don't tire. I don't tire. I no fit bear am. 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 I no fit bear am.
Hello.
Hello, oni se o we yan na le 11 no wa ku lori ore. We na ni meta mu we na. Oga o we yan na we.
Yeah, na he bota ye.
Mi azesan. We ku lori ore. We ni ye wata na we. We ni ye wata na we ma sati bioi. We ni ye wata na we ma ti bioi. We amori ori oto. Ele 11 no. Wo amori ori oto. Weta menopia ni o si enopia na ya yiti la ni yen tamosio enopia na ya yiti la nu wa
na ho
nwa ni ta so amo ori ori oto
me ni ta
amo ori oto wa
me just go de emo na mo focus me ma gwa lezo agele me ma gwa lezo o da me o mu go yimo because me just want no question because I'm going to na mu ko yimo
ama mu go jawo hu we 4 children ama mu go jawo we 4 children
me just go me meta na de kanya ga doni ori meru mistake no na meta ni o mu ko yimo ma to na ni de ga doni ori meru
Why wab your men and no be I? Why wab your men and no be I? I'm going to go 1 minute. Oh, men, sister. Why one the look behind the men?
Look. I'm going to go because now I met her in Martin. What had done or meru. Meru mistake. Me all forgive him because I look like a good man. Na good man. I don't know how me hot. Na good man. Meru mistake no forgive him na imo to make get meru ke me no forgive him o ba mo ko yimo
ama
hello mama
I forgive you when me ya gugu egwan na rugu ya lele ya wata ori e ma be do no isunu na wa lo bi yi opa wa ye were gbe lo bi ye be je opa wa lo bi ye be je opa wa koko lo bia kuku gbe
me ho
wa lo bia kuku gbe o lo bia yiwo gugwe anytime no ya mo we akula orion won
hello
ata ma gugwe we mo we love you wa mo orion yo to ko akwa wa ti eme wa iva Ode 11. Mona call me around 11 tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, now bye-bye.
Okay. No.
Hello, God bless you.
Hello, mommy, give us a prayer.
He said, "Why lo is do what?"
Come, mommy. Okay, hello, ene. Come, mommy. Mommy, I take the testimony.
Madam, yo.
Okay. Ira re mi na next year ina doje itani yesike alero na do moyo to ko na do munya iri mi na ma
ya go
i de pishon yo to ko na ina do munya fe na do lobi na do ari mi na ina zuzu ize zuzu mi na ni zuzu na do zuzu do ra okwopa izuzo wa hokpa ona do Chineke gbe ona do mu meye woge ona do ayobo i rikuyo megbere won me ebe ka ku no ye ne party fian la oboni san do yobo ciel ya jiya ese on to isi type on to join me say on to ayi borrow mo on to move menya ipe na we ni e worry na we o jeri wa ya ran
You were calling.
Wa like one.
That you were. Obera. All the plan of Timami Tapa, Madame Yasan Wago, where they do you. Oh, Mamma, I visual every moment. Never Bueno, red one. Mamugo, pure menene. Mamugo, every motor, I get out of why are you? Mamugo, what says you are talk, babe? No way.
Hello, mommy, you're cause society both are mom. Anywhere we're learning, may watch you with it and
Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello, God bless you.
God bless you. Good evening. Good morning.
God bless you.
I watch your program now.
Lower your side, please.
Are you hearing me?
Lower the one you are using to watch me. Lower your side, lower it well.
Okay. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
Okay, was the one who I want to contribute. That man went to share say your wife goes with his friend. That woman say it's a nuisance woman.
Hello, God bless you. I'm sorry, sir. I just cut your call. This is not the right time to talk of that. If that man kill himself tomorrow, it's not go get. I make a peace here. Prayer line. I forgive. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, mommy. Good evening.
God bless you. Lord, the one we tell they watch me. Lord.
I don't know already.
God bless you, my brother.
Hey, mommy. Mommy, I beg you. The picture is already put on. See me. You pray put for me.
Ugaje picture ni kauna ya kagbe wewe tio saloba toka bozesi mwe.
Amen.
Aga kawe ba nori e o saloba be nori e ni kawo. O saiti we o. God bless you. Kwanya alo yo ya kawo. Bye bye.
Okay.
Gbe wa. E o me magba le gbe ni bege na. Awa. Marriage na e o da won na scatter. Reje. Me mwegbe me ya tinya every day now. Hello, ya yore bo tinya. Ya ike ya.
Hello, mommy.
Hello, sir.
Mommy, wa talk be, mommy. Hello, mommy. Wa talk be. Ma hello. Mommy.
Idame yo.
Ya na ka we ya gbere amamu. Ore e manipu. Ori ya to. Mebe mi gbe mi na le Nigeria o e ma na o we ro ru da no na le kanu ye ni bu ni ma to rian kini ya to 3 ya oriyan ya ni guan ni wa do ya ni jo ni oriyan gbe me mi en bu wa na ni so ni agbe na hiwo because emi la sunu ban ya no gun ya koko mo ni mo mi la 3 ni aga yi ne jo when ni aga stop ni aga record jo because oriyan ya gbe when ni aka mata when ni bulla ya ni aven ka ojo we de mi no sunu da ge na re o ma sunu da ya abeg when ni agbe na iwo mommy wa talk be only we go see.
Hello, God bless you. Hello, from Italy. Wala wo and then I was where don't anybody be me or be me topic no mure wa be mulaza wa get maduema wa any topic be mo gwelazia wa gi ma forget me na da do ga mo ga lazia wa ga forget me na wala wo ko wesi So that don't know right be la dia. No again me ni abeta. Ah mommy give me be pass through. Ge have a question zawa. Cause Evana, I even know a court. Evana prayer line. Evana aleni wo. Ebi ya fe na ri anyagmo. E ya re mana. Wo ma be mo kere wa me na ya be mo kere be la topic of it. So even like the main topic here. Because ya dey no the topic radio ere o ba so yame akwa arebe do agwale e corner nezoje ni me ya me viewers agwalogo agwale ke nezoje ara o wa yo to me o ise ti du gbo ni ije me awo even ni je me je ke akoko da me. Hello, God bless you from America. The 3 weeks baby. Hello, Jay, o side we. Lani we. Iyo.
Iwo ni sama awo ni na bia o wese gbe na o edu na o wese ko. Wese je. Ko ye.
Sano.
Ko ye. Ni o je wese. Wese je.
O side we.
Ina we ni
3.
Oh, amare lani. O de me na me gugu I watch. Hello.
Hello, nse na talk pe.
Ise.
Oba talk pe.
Ise.
No we make a worry we beer o.
Yo, Sawese. Yo,
we hospital we are call Megan we ya gwan ma only do agbodan yo do atawe ya call na ma metanet o se mama call so so wani.
Sawese, glory be to God. Uga mo je mu yenye be gbo mo na o. O salobo no we no talk about we na ekpoli eke ya fefefe. Ekpoli eke ya ga won amuwa ya ga bia momo mi un.
Mi se.
Site we. Hello, God bless you. Hello. Hello.
Because it's not here and they try to call you living money on you.
Hello.
Hello, come on me. Sighting
we, Jay.
Come on me. La me topic me o ti o ni remember we go ayo.
Tata no gi ansa jowo bo.